Hello, fellow entrepreneurs. If you're eager to establish yourself as a vendor contractor in the city of Sunrise, Florida, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of registering as a vendor contractor in this vibrant city. Let's jump right in. Begin by clearly defining the products or services you plan to offer as a vendor supplier. Identify your niche, whether it's office supplies, equipment, or specialized materials. This clarity will guide your registration process. The benefits of vendor self-service are your registered company will be able to request electronic fund transfer, receive purchase orders via email, view purchase orders, invoices, and check information, and receive electronic notifications of future solicitations. First, visit the official website of Sunrise City and access the Vendor Self-Service Portal. This portal is designed to streamline the vendor registration process. Click on Register Online, and you will be redirected to City of Sunrise, Florida Vendor Self-Service website and register for a new account. Thoroughly fill out your vendor supplier profile within the Vendor Self-Service Portal. Provide accurate contact details, information about your product and/or service offerings, and any relevant certifications or qualifications. A detailed profile enhances your visibility to city departments seeking your supplies. Click the Add Hyperlink and provide your business name, company contacts, and other necessary company documentation. Click Continue. Finally, search for your commodities codes services your company offer. What are commodity codes? Commodity codes are used to classify goods and services in government contracts. Clearly define the services you intend to offer as a vendor. Specificity is key, as this information will be used to match you with relevant opportunities from the commodity services list, and click Continue. Once commodities services are added, provide the necessary attachments needed for registration's completion. Review all the information you've entered in the Vendor Self-Service Portal for accuracy and completeness. Once you're confident everything is in order, submit your registration. Registration is completed. You can now upload documents and update your profile. Networking is vital for vendor suppliers. Connect with local business associations and chambers of commerce in Sunrise City. These connections can provide valuable resources and potential clients within the city government. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to register as a vendor supplier in Sunrise City, Florida using the Vendor Self-Service Portal. Follow these steps, stay committed to your goals, and you'll be well on your way to a successful vendor supply business in this dynamic city. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your vendor supplier journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay connected, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.